Hello there and welcome back. In this video I am going to introduce you with a spotlight in Figma. So a spotlight allows you to gather collaborators in a file to follow your view of the Figma design on the canvas. Now this also applies for the prototypes and the Figma Jamboards as well. So it's quite useful, especially when you need to guide your audience through your project design. So when you spotlight yourself, all other collaborators that are viewing your file will get notified that you are actually requested that they follow you. And the collaborators in a file have the option to actually ignore your request. Now, once they accept your invitation to follow your spotlight, then they are shown your actual view of the canvas. So now I'm going to show you how to achieve that. So if you want to turn on a spotlight, then you just need to hover over your avatar and click this spotlight me button, right? However, before I do that, I'm going to just share the actual link of this file to someone else, or in this case to me. And then when I join this project, then I'm going to click this spotlight button. So let's click this share button first. And here, as you can see, we can actually invite other people by their email here. So we can type their email address and then just send that invite to their own inbox. And then from there, they can just grab that link, open up in their browser and view this file, right? So here we have two different options. So they can either view or edit your file. In most cases, you just want to choose a view. Anyhow, here as you can see, we also have one option to share a link with anyone. So let's just click this copy link button. There we go. And now I'm going to open up the web browser and actually type this link. Okay, there we go. So now we are actually loading that project. So I have pasted that link in my web browser. Here I'm going to also now close that, and you will see that now a new avatar will appear. Let me just increase this size a little bit. Let's increase here the height. Okay, so now as you can see, we have two people here. So I have opened this Figma file in my web browser where I'm also logged in as the same user. So that's why you're seeing here that same logo. But nevertheless, this is that file that we are now viewing from the web browser. So now, as you can see here, I can press this spotlight me button, and immediately after that, here we're going to see this option that we can actually accept that invite, right? Or that we can actually ignore that. So if we don't ignore, then we are going to basically automatically accept that invitation. So now, as you can see here, it says that this current user is using the spotlight, and from here, of course, let me just here press Control and the reverse slash, and now I can here just drag anything. And as you can see, when I move on this canvas on my desktop, then all those other people that are actually watching me will be able to see that view that I'm viewing right here in this desktop application, right? And this can be quite useful when you have some audience that need to get introduced with the actual project that you have designed. In that case, you can just show your design here and just go through each and every screen and explain everything that they need to hear about that project. So, of course, many different people can join this collaboration. So you can invite many different people, and also, of course, you can connect with the audio and you can talk with them while you're explaining all those different things on your own design project, right? So that's how it actually works. So basically that's everything you need to know about this spotlight feature. So it's quite simple to use. As you can see here, with only one button, you will be able to also stop this spotlight. There you go. Now we are no longer using that spotlight. And here, of course, you are seeing that I'm actually moving on the canvas, but you don't see the exact thing like you have seen before. However, if I turn here the spotlight, then you will be able to follow my cursor here, okay? But if I stop that, then you will no longer be able to follow that canvas that I'm moving here as well. And that's everything I wanted to share with you about this spotlight feature. So for this video, that will be all.